Welcome to Dweep Tales channel. I am taking you for a short visit of the dormant volcano found near to where I live. Though there are several roads to reach the summit, I will take today the road which many people prefer to take on foot. So this road takes about 5 minutes to climb up till the top for a healthy person. We have reached the summit, but we will have to walk a bit around to have a better view. This crater is located in Curepipe, a town situated at an elevation of about 600 meters above sea level. So, Trou Aux Cerfs is a result of volcanic activity that took place thousands of years ago during the island's volcanic phase. Although the volcano is no longer active, the crater remains a significant part of Mauritius' rich geological history. With a diameter of around 350 meters and a depth of about 85 meters, Trou Aux Cerfs forms a striking natural bowl surrounded by greenery and dense forest. So the crater is now partially filled with vegetation, and this gives a tranquil and almost mystical atmosphere. So visitors to the site are often struck by the contrast between the rugged volcanic landscape and the serene environment. So let's have a first glimpse of the crater. I will try to walk around to show you better and get more clear videos. So people have made it a habit to come here in the morning and afternoon for their daily exercises. So this volcano has been transformed into a zero carbon emission zone, and vehicles are prohibited around the crater. And this has been done because of so many people requesting that this site becomes a health track. So vehicles have to be parked in an area provided. So from here we'll have a better view of the crater because of the sun. So you will see that there is no lava or smoke or anything, and instead you will see that there is accumulation of water down there. So this is the crater. As you can see, it's not very deep, so it's only 85 meters deep. People used to go down long back, but this has been prohibited due to the steepness. Visiting this volcano will also give you stunning views around the island.